Summer scouting. Almost the end of August. Look at these clouds, man. This is so cool. Look at that. Man. Like big bubbles up there, man. How cool is that? All the way back there. Look at that. That is awesome. Out here doing some scouting, baby. Gotta find them. Gotta get them deer, man. Storm's cutting through right now, baby. Couple bucks right there. Man, look at the sky. Unbelievable, man. Look at the bubbles. What is that? I've never seen nothing like that. Wow. Wow, that is so cool. Look at the sky, man. Crazy out here. Paul with the PT-13, PT-3. Like, what? Pretty crazy, man. Crazy sky here in Michigan. Man, just look at it. Look at that. Ram, baby. Ram. Outdoorsman. Bam!